Hi everybody, my name is Mario. I am from Mexico and this is CS50. This is my final project called Facturapp. It's an app that reads folder from the root directory where it displays and returns a menu to select which one to explore for .xml files, which are used for billings here in Mexico. It reads the files, then stores it to .csv files and print the info to the terminal using tabulate. It will create a separate file for each category, that is compras, gastos, ventas, and we will have another one for totales, which will be purchases, expenses, sales, and totals. Right here, let's try it. It will show the menu. We will choose one of these options. It will show the three folders that we have in here, and the fourth one is for exit the menu. I will choose the 4 just to try it. It will ask confirmation, and yes, alright. Let's try again. This time I will choose the number 3 for October. This will show us all of the bills printed, and here we can see we have purchases. Here it will show a hyperlink that will appear with this name here for .pdf or .xml file. Here we have expenses, sales, and the totals for purchases, expenses, and sales. This is for a whole month simulated for this test. Alright everybody, that's all. Thank you for watching, and this was CS50.